RTK promises to slash your agent's CLI token waste by up to 90%, but will that actually lower your total bill? The advertising for these tools is often centered on output compression, which is easily measurable but rarely the full story. We are measuring output compression, but agent workflows often ignore the cost of missing context and recovery loops. Every time an agent has to rerun a command or ask for more detail because information was lost in compression, your cost and latency increase. Does RTK actually make your agent cheaper, or does it just move the cost of LLM interaction from CLI tokens into extra tool calls? RTK sits as a command proxy between a coding agent and the shell. It intercepts command outputs, uses a small local model to compress them, and passes only the summary to your agent's LLM. By proxying the shell, RTK acts as a middleware filter that sits in the path of every command output, filtering out ANSI escape sequences, progress bars, and high-noise metadata. Official integration is already live for Claude Code, Codex CLI, Aider, Roo Code, Continue, Goose, and the OpenAI Agents SDK. Operators tune it with environment flags like RTK compression level and RTK context strategy to switch between summarize, semantic, structured, or smart modes. The mechanism is a simple but aggressive pipeline. Command execution, local inference for compression and injection. For list and directory commands, it prefers tree structures over raw recursive listings to save space. For Git diffs and test logs, it strips everything but significant diff hunks and failure messages, preserving only the essential code changes. The compression pipeline. Agent request, native CLI, RTK intercept, local compressive LLM, agent context. Command before and after. Left, raw Docker logs right. RTK summarized logs. ANSI colors, progress bars, repetition, and non-essential metadata are purged to hit that 90% target, but the crucial evidence, error messages, and line numbers is generally kept. The hidden cost. If RTK strips the one line your agent needed to fix a bug, the agent will just call the command again or ask for the full output, which costs more. GitHub issue 32 reports agents issuing extra tool calls when compression is too aggressive, proving that sometimes compression adds work. Stripping line numbers from stack traces forces your agent back to the shell to re-verify the failure site, costing time and tokens you tried to save. Compressing structured JSON data into prose can break agent downstream processing, turning a simple JQ call into a hallucination risk. If you configure a cloud-hosted LLM like a standard OpenAI endpoint as the local compression worker, you are effectively exfiltrating your CLI output, which is a major privacy consideration. Despite official claims of 70–90% token reduction, no independent third-party benchmark proves end-to-end cost savings as of this freeze date. The project is officially 0.0.0 development with 53 open issues and no stable release tags yet, which suggests you should be careful with mission-critical agent loops. RTK is a sharp tool for high-volume, low-density CLI logs like big Git diffs or massive directory scans. But it is high risk for exact parsing, JSON-heavy operations, or when your agent requires high-fidelity debugging info. Try it, but measure your total cost endpoint to endpoint. If your repair loops spike, the compression was never a saving.